Hi, this is magician mentalist Ted Ross. I am now booking for this year. Please book early. I'm a walk around close up entertainer, and I will make sure that everyone in your audience is absolutely amazed. As I perform mentalism and telekinesis, make objects move just by thinking of them. They will leave absolutely astonished and be talking about this event for years. You will be mesmerized as I come to your own table and perform illusions right in your own hand. Call now to book your engagement and for pricing. Thanks for visiting my site, and I hope to hear from you soon. Always remember this: life is an illusion, and it's what you make out of it. So tread carefully.
Now watch. Do you see it go?
Yeah.
Sure. Because now I have the one. Open up your hand. You have the one.
Okay, that's
You can open it up.
That's good.
You see it go? Watch. Now I have the one. You open up your hand. You have the five. You can open it up and show everybody that's exactly